a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't, how we roll. Let them keep talking.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by MyFirstWIG, and this is my first time working with this company, so shout out to them. I really, really love their packaging. I thought their packaging was absolutely phenomenal. So once again, shout out to you, MyFirstWIG, for sending me this unit. Okay, honey, so you know the Virgo in me just loves a company that comes with the info on a card that I can just read you guys. Child, here we go, okay? So this says MyFirstWIG, and it says the texture of this unit is silky. The length is 18 inches. The hair origin is 100% Malaysian virgin hair. The hair color is same as picture, which to me is like maybe 1B 613 27 mix or something like that. Child, making up stuff. I don't know, but it's giving me honey, but it's like giving me a lighter sort of honey. So that's why I say 613 27 sort of mix, in my opinion. It says cap size 1, which is an average cap size. You guys know, if you watch me, I do wear an average cap size. And it says cap construction is headband wig and lace color black. Like, there's no lace, child, so I don't know why I got lace color black. Maybe they just meant like the headband is black, the headband that's underneath it is black. Okay, so first I want to say with shedding and tangling with this wig, it came more so as a straight unit, but I feel like I always need a little curl, a little wave. You guys know me, like, every now and then I will wear a straight unit, and I always say you need at least one straight wig, honey. Okay, you just need it, at least one. But I do gravitate more towards units with some curls, so I did decide to curl this wig. And honestly, there was no shedding and no tangling with this wig despite the color. A lot of times if a wig is colored like this sort of color, I do expect some, but I didn't get any with this unit straight out of the packaging. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, in my opinion, I always feel like headband wigs are one size fit all, and I always say that because with the headband wigs, you not only have those adjustable straps, but you also have that little headband elastic. So I always say they're one size fit all. Like even whether your head is really big or really small or in between, I feel like you can make a headband wig work. That is just my opinion. As I stated, I am an average cap size. So how to do it, that's what you want to do with it, girl. I'm just telling you what I am, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as this unit goes. Like as far as the details and specs go, I do also want to mention that it does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. And as I stated, it does come with adjustable straps. Now, if you're interested in finding out how I feel about this unit, as well as any product that I used on it, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really feeling this wig. If you know me, then you know your girl be feeling the headband wigs. Like, I just feel like they're really convenient, they're really cute, and they're just like my go-to sort of units, especially when I'm kind of just like rushing. I'll throw on a headband wig and keep it moving, honey, okay? Because you just don't have to do a whole lot when it comes to a headband wig. Like, I feel like they're just like one of the best things invented, okay? Especially if you always on the go, and I'm pretty much always on the go. I'm usually having to throw something on unless something is already on, and child, your girl like sleeping no wig, so usually nothing is already on, honey, okay? So I really do love this unit, and I love the color. Another thing about me is that I love color. Like, I just do. I love blondes, I love pinks, I love blues, I love greens. I love them all, but I really do like blondes, and especially this sort of blonde. When I saw it, I was like, yes! So yeah, it's just my sort of unit. Now granted, when I saw it, I did know that I would be adding some curls because that's just me. I do have a very like, you know, chug-a-cheek sort of face. Like, my face is kind of, it's always been full. So I do prefer curls because I feel like if my hair is too flat, then it just makes my face look even, you know, rounder. So I do typically really like curls in my units. That's just kind of what I gravitate towards. And I do like that with this unit, I feel like you can get some versatility out of it because you obviously can curl it if you want to. You can add crinkles if you want to. You can do what you want to with the unit. So I do like that aspect of it as well. And yeah, overall, I think it is a really nice unit. I also love the roots on this wig where it's like different colors, like even on the roots, you guys can kind of see it. And the dark roots are all the way throughout, and I like that as well. So yeah, I'm really feeling this unit. I think it is a really cute wig. I have no issues with it whatsoever. And yeah, shout out to you, MyFirstWIG. Okay, girl, you coming through with the come through, all right? As far as what I used on the wig, the only thing I did apply was this product by TRESemmé that I recently got it, and it's Keratin Smooth with marula oil, and I did apply that to the unit before I curled it, and that was it. So yeah, I feel like it's an easy, convenient throw on and go sort of style. Now, they didn't state what the density is, but I personally would say the density of this unit is about 150% density. That's just purely me speculating, honey, because I don't know. Okay, girl, I don't know. But I would say, to me, it seems to be about 150% density because it's not super thick, but it's not to the point where it's thin. So it's just like that right sort of natural sort of density. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check, and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a look and all of those things. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in hearing what you guys think. And yeah, y'all, once again, shout out to you, MyFirstWIG, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or stuff I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.